Welcome to How To with Haas. We're going to go over how to personalize operation options in Haas 2020. Start by going to Options, down to Edit Options, Operation Options. Now the Operation Options dialog box will appear. Using the dialog box, several options can be turned off and on for personalization. Items like automatic backup, use velocity pressure, suppress warnings, enable check valves, enable lockbox, Darcy-Weisbach, directional nodes, increase minimum source pressure to prevent negative pressure, F3 delete, skip the renumbering dialog box to go straight to the advanced renumbering, require explicit measurement unit conversions, and make replace and reverse the default option. We're going to turn on the F3 as the delete option. Let's delete pipe 3. Select it and hit F3. Thanks for joining us today for another How To with Haas. If you'd like more information about Haas and HRS systems, there's a link below in the description to our website. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe, and also leave a comment. Thank you.